Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Legal Tings. Today we're talking about how to take a step-by-step approach to filing a civil claim in Singapore. Here's a simple way to understand the basic process and steps of filing a civil claim in Singapore. Number 1. Determine if you have a valid claim. Consider if your case meets the criteria for a civil claim, if there's a legal basis for your claims, the strengths and weaknesses of your case, and the likelihood of success, as well as the administrative and logistical matters such as whether you'll be suing an individual or a corporate entity. Number 2, choose the appropriate court to file your claim in. Consider which court is best suited to hear your case based on the amount of the claim, the type of the dispute, and the jurisdiction of the parties involved. For example, for claims of up to $20,000, the Small Claims Tribunal is a quick and inexpensive option. For claims below $60,000, the Magistrates Court would be the appropriate forum, and for claims between $60,000 and $250,000, you should consider having the claim started in the District Court. For claims above $250,000, the High Court may be the most appropriate option, and for specialized disputes involving intellectual property cases, the Intellectual Property Office of Singapore may be the most appropriate venue. Number 3, prepare your claiming and court papers and documents. This includes writing a detailed statement of claim that outlines the facts and evidence supporting your case and takes into account all the relevant documents and the legal arguments you wish to make. Number 4, file the claim. File your statement of claim with the appropriate court along with any supporting documents and pay the relevant and appropriate filing fee. Number 5, serve the defendant with a copy of your suit and statement of claim and any other supporting documents. And this can be done either by personal service or by substituted service and other approved methods. Number 6, respond to the claim. The defendant may have a specified amount of time to respond to the claim and may choose to admit or deny the claims made in the statement of claim. They may also wish to start negotiations with you to try to resolve the dispute out of court, and if a settlement is reached, you can file a notice of discontinuance to discontinue the proceedings. Importantly, if the defendant does not respond, you may apply for a default judgment. Number 7, prepare for trial. If the defendant denies your allegations and the case proceeds to trial, both parties will have the opportunity to prepare and present their case to the court, and this is likely to involve presenting evidence through witnesses and documents and submitting legal arguments in support of your case. Number 8, attend the trial, which means that both parties must attend the trial and present their case to the court, and the court will then make a decision based on the evidence and the arguments presented. Number 9, enforce the decision. If you are successful in your claim and win the case, the court will issue an order that must be followed by the defendant, failing which you can take additional steps to enforce the judgment, such as to seize his assets or funds to satisfy and pay the amount of compensation owed to you. It's important to seek the advice of a qualified lawyer before filing a claim in Singapore to ensure that your case is properly prepared and presented, and to help you navigate the legal process and increase the chances of a successful outcome. So, now you know. If you've enjoyed listening to this and would like to hear more, subscribe wherever you like to listen to podcasts and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And remember, it's not rocket science, it's just legal things.